first step we're gonna do is straighten the steel to make some bars. So that's why.
There, good. Good and hard. Good. Okay, stop. Get that one some. Yeah, whack. Got it. Okay. Okay, then hold on. Now, smash that. Right there.
These are like kind of the shapes of the heads. We watched by Explosion Band from
You see how it works a lot better when it's really hot. That one. Good. Hold on. Now, yeah, right there. Good. You about got it. Let me just finish flat a little bit. Yeah, kind of hit it a little bit there if you like. Right around here. Let's see if it's straight. Yep. Okay, let's get it back up. Good bars that we can do for the frame, all straightened out. Okay. Swing. Good. All right.
Guys, this is my best sketch of what it's kind of gonna look like when the frame's done, and like the eyes. Also, those are stickers, not wheels. I don't think the stickers have to be there.
How about the side view?
Oh yeah.
There it is.
I couldn't draw the jaw like here, and I couldn't tell what was up here. I couldn't. There wasn't enough space to draw the jaw actually like this way, so I drew it down. Also, that was gonna be the eye cylinder, like the thing that makes it move. But I realized it was in the wrong place. Also, this is the side view of the eye.
Okay.
Hey guys, now we're measuring this thing so we can cut it in half. Yeah. So, yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna just mark it like.
Oh yeah.
Is that a 9/16?
That's a 9/16. That works. Are you ready to cut it? Oh, don't die. Let's put the tape. Okay, let's go to the cutter.
Okay, guys. Now we're using the chops to cut this metal thing. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna grab it. It's still marked 9/16. Okay, now we're going.
Now weld when you're ready. Do it again. Longer. Do it again for longer. Watch the weld. Can you see it? No, yeah, it'll take a while. You're doing fine, but you just got to do more. Keep going, keep going. More. More. Keep going. Okay, stop. All right. Let me finish this one. Okay, ready? All right, let's shift it and try one of the other holes, all right? Hold the trigger down longer. Keep going, keep going. Hold it down. Great. More. Stop. Look, you filled up the top. So that was better, right? Could you see it welding? Now let's do the next one. Let me get my mask. Get your hands braced up. Gun pointed up a little bit more there. Okay, good. Are you steady? Can you see the wire? Okay, go. Keep going, weld. Hold it down for a long time. Good. More. Good. Stop. Just pop it and pull it off. Good. Hey, all right. Well, we got the tops done. Now we'll flip it over and get the other side. All right. Let's grind it flat. That's pretty good.
Okay, guys. We got the holes we didn't need welded shut. So now we're gonna grind the little excess part on top right here down. Wait, where does 9 inches start again?
Right on the big line at the 9. There you go. Just drag a line up there from it. Go that way. Good. That'll work. Here's the cap for that pen. Good. So would you like to use the chop saw or the giant bandsaw?
The giant bandsaw.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's use the giant bandsaw.
Okay guys, now we're gonna cut it with the giant bandsaw. So, yeah, let's cut it.
Hit the green button. Push it. Not bad, not bad. Now we got a bar cut. This is the back of our frame. I'll turn off the cooling. Let me scoot over behind you.
Okay guys, we're clamping this. So we're gonna weld it at an angle. We're making kind of like the back part of the frame right now. So yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good.